Tired of your Odoo products feeling like they're lost in a digital maze? Let's dive straight into creating product categories in Odoo to organize your inventory, like a pro. First, click on the Inventory app on your Odoo dashboard. Once you're in the Inventory app, hover over the Products menu. At the top, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Product Categories. This will take you to the Product Categories page. You'll now see a list of any existing product categories. You might already have to create a new category. Click the Create button. This will open a form where you can define your new category. In the Category Name field, type in the name of your product category, for example, electronics or clothing. Next, if you want to create a subcategory, use the Parent Category field. Click on the drop-down and select the main category. This new one will fall under if it's a main category. Leave this field blank. Finally, once you've entered the category name and selected a parent category, if needed, click the Save button. Congratulations, you've just created a new product category in Odoo.